Last minute and 20 of the four-wheel drive A2 main. Had some issues with the storage on the phone. 1 and 2. Oh, this is an excellent fight, and I wish I'd gotten more of it. Nicely done. 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Right behind each other. Trying to make them stay quiet and fair.
Johnny Drake, what I can say Jay.
39 seconds to go, drive. Oh, Brian stopped the fight. 39 seconds. And he's upside down.
Oh, did Paul get into second off of that? Paul moves up second. There he is. There's third, the fiery looking truck. Paul in the Techno. Jay out front. Jay just stopped in the track. 10 seconds to the last lap. Paul, I hope you get him. Get him. He waited for you. Get him. He's got the horsepower.
The race is over, guys. The race is over. Gary, you're done. Alonzo, you're done. Johnny, you're done. Paul, you're done. Brian, you're done. John Everett, you're done.